Today we'll show you how to create a group in your WhatsApp and in your PC or laptop. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to your search and go to WhatsApp app in your laptop, okay? And click, and here you can wait 1 second, guys. Okay, now just here, go to here or go to here and click to new group. Okay, guys, click, and you can choose any people from your fans or from other, and click and go here, and you can put the name. Okay, like I think I put LEGUTO, guys, like this, and you can choose the picture from here, and or emoji or something like that, or like this. Okay, like this maybe, and you can choose this for connecting message. Okay, only this is no, I don't wait. This is authorizing the group, like you can this is members can adjust, like can add the members others from them contact this, and they can modify the, this is settings. Okay, just you can do it, and you can invite link here. Okay, now and do like this and do this. Will be now creation a group here. Just now this is a group, and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.